palmistry reading of a 30-year-old person, male. We would be reading his hand. Before I start the video, I would request you to press the bell icon on YouTube and don't miss another update. You can call me or you can email me if you wish to take a reading from me. Now we straight away head to this particular hand image that we have in front of us, and I would be describing the main points on this particular hand image that we see. So let us start with the first line, the most important line, the headline. This is the headline, and the second is the lifeline. This is the lifeline. You would notice that both these lines are joined at the start, at the initial stage, for a long duration of time. Normally people don't have this kind of an indication. This indication means that the person is very cautious, shy, hardworking, and contemplating. Contemplating means the person is going to take time to finally decide, and in the meantime many opportunities might run away from his particular hand, like it's going to go away from his hand. But losing out on opportunities, generally people think that it is a negative sign, but I feel that it is a positive sign, because you are left with fewer opportunities to work upon, and you can specialize in one or two areas where you can perform the best. Whenever I find both the head and the lifeline joined at the initial start for such a long duration of time, I automatically say that success is likely to come to this person at a later portion of his life, after the age of 35 or after the age of 44. That's just an approximate. This is not a hard and fast rule, and it doesn't mean that the initial period there would be no success. It's just that in the later portion of one's life, success is going to be much more compared to the earlier period. The reason why we say that these people are successful in the later portion, because I've already explained these people are cautious, shy, and hardworking. So what happens is that their speed is likely to be extremely slow. They're going to be slow in deciding, slow in acting out of particular work. So both these things, what it means is that these people are likely to be snail-paced, and they would be the tortoise in the hare and tortoise race. Everybody has heard that, so I won't elaborate on that. So this is the speed, and that's what it basically means. Now I would be talking about few significant lines, that very important markings that the person has, and one is the money triangle. This is the money triangle. I would be explaining the meaning of this money triangle. And the second is, this is the lifeline. So inside the lifeline there is a supporting lifeline, and supporting, the name of this line can be something else. As it can be, some people call it the supporting lifeline, some people call it the line of fighting spirit, the line of Mars. So names can be different, but the meaning remains the same. So the line, many people might have this particular line, but not many people are going to be having such a long and deep and clear kind of a supporting lifeline. Now it is more important than even the money line. Don't think that money line tells everything regarding the money. People think that money line would be telling everything regarding the money. It is not just one line that depicts money. We can try to correlate money on any aspect, even the heart line, headline, lifeline, or any portion of the palm. So people are generally inquisitive about how good they are going to be making money in their life. So each and every aspect of a palm is important, and same goes with the line of Mars. And this line basically depicts that the person would be having huge amount of fighting spirit, and the person is likely going to be a fighter. This line also depicts that it is something like a armor around this particular person, a protection around this particular person. Mars, as everybody knows, this is the area of Mars, and the line is starting on the Mars. Mars, everybody knows, Mars is a red planet. Red means anger, aggression, and fire. So I've already mentioned that fighting spirit. Apart from that, if the person has to face difficult people and difficult situations, these people would come out as winners. They could also get support from male members inside the family, or it could be outside the family. It could be anywhere, but male, because this is Mars is a male planet. So or even in women, but in those women that male qualities is going to be there, manly qualities. So this line is a very significant line, and the area for properties is also Mars. This is the most significant area for properties. So a person who has a supporting lifeline, a Mars line, those people can make good amount of property, or they would gain in properties. They would be able to make good amount of money in properties. So this is what is represented by the line of Mars. Now let's take a look at the line of we talked about the line of the money triangle. Now this money triangle is formed with three lines. One is the money line. Everybody knows money line means money. But how would you get money? A person who has got good set of skills, only that particular person is likely to make a good amount of money. So this is the area of Mercury, and Mercury is the area of your skill, calculations, communication, and it is and networking skills. It could be human to human networking, or it could also mean computer networking or social media networking, any kind of networking. So the area of Mercury represents every set of skills. It can be law, it could be physics, it could be chemistry, biology, it could be the business. Everything is related to Mercury. So so Mercury mount should be good, and if it is good, the chances brighten up. So a person who has this line, a strong line going towards the mount of Mercury, it is considered to be a good sign. It means that the person is sharpening their skill, and a person who sharpens their skills, the chances for those people to succeed increases. Now we take at the third line, that is the headline. Now the headline is the line of thought process, and the thought process line, if it is stable, and during this particular period, the portion, see the whole, this is whole headline. So this portion of the headline is before the age of 35, and this portion is 35 to 55. So this portion becomes a very significant period in one's life. So this portion is 35 to 53, and if there is stability on the line of head during the period of 35 to 53, the chances to make good amount of money increases. Now to look at the timing when a significant time is going to arise to make good amount of money. So I would say that it's not going to be after the age of 35, it's going to be before the age of 35, just at the point where this triangle starts. This is the triangle. It starts somewhere at this particular point. So this point is approximately it could be 2930. That's just an approximation. That's when it starts, and it is forming a V-like portion. Why we say that a money triangle is good? Money triangle is good because it is pointing towards three fingers, and a triangle and a V can point at any point, like it can point anywhere, something like these. All these are going to be considered to be good. V towards a finger is always good, or even a standing line is good enough to be successful. So what happens is that from the fingers, light or energy is penetrating, and once they are entering the palm, it's entering your life and entering the life, and they are getting accumulated somewhere out here. So this portion of life becomes an important portion of one's life, and it is considered to be a good sign because of the accumulation of Saturn is money. This is name and fame and creativity and art and music, and this is the skill. So the skill energies are accumulated, the risk-taking abilities, and this is the area of money, possessions, and wealth and wisdom. So everything is getting accumulated, and it's considered to be a beautiful sign. It is we can't quantify how much the person is going to benefit, but it's going to be substantial, we can say with certainty. And it's not one line that gives success, it's a combination of many aspects on the palm that might make a person successful or unsuccessful. Now just for a brief period, I would tell you what negative portions, negative signs that we see on this particular palm. This is the line of money, and there's a line from Mars. This is the area of Mars. Mars is the area of anger, aggression, and fire, and there's a horizontal line that is coming and touching, reaching the main money line, the fate line. This is considered to be a bad sign. What it basically depicts is that, consider something like, let's take this is the lifeline, and this is the area of anger, aggression, and fire, and this is the area of Venus. That means the area of fuel, energies, vitality, stamina, love energies, and everything. So and consider there's a spark out here. So this is the area of spark, the area of fire, and this is the area of your fuel. So what happens is that, and consider the lifeline to be your engine. So the horizontal lines is something like a cycle or a scooter or a truck or a car or something big that is coming and striking you. It could be a pedestrian, it could be a ship coming and striking your money line. So that portion becomes a little bit negative. So it's just a way to explain, not necessarily this is what it means, but it means that some problems are likely to arise at this portion on the money line. This is the money line. So how we say what time it's going to be, this is the money line and this is the line of head. So this intersection is age 35. So the just before the intersection out here, at this point the problem is going to be affected. So this portion is going to be approximately age 33. That's just an approximation. But at the same time, if you notice, the intensity of the line as such doesn't get harmed at all. So this is one portion. The second point is that the main money line is kind of crossing over the headline. This is the headline, and going a little bit further and ending out here. So this portion is age 44. The calculation is something like this. This is the money line, this is the heart line, this is the headline, this intersection is 35, this intersection is 53. So somewhere in the middle, the main money line is ending. So major changes are going to happen somewhere close to the age of 44. But before those changes happen, the person develops another source of income, and that basically continues at least till the age of 53. You would notice that there's no line as such out here beyond the age of 53. Now, I've seen in many famous people's case where I find that there's no money line and there's no sun line as well. Sun line is the career line, and this is the line of money, possessions, and wealth. So even in spite of having no money line, those people are super rich, super rich. The reason why we say that no line is considered to be good, because what happens is more lines basically is kind of bringing in bad qualities to the mount. Bad qualities is because this is the finger of money, possessions, and wealth. This is the finger of Saturn, and if this portion is going to be rayed with too many lines, and this is also the area of wisdom and wise decisions. So many lines basically decreases the wisdom, and this is also the area of depression. This is also the area of the person not being grounded. So too many lines over the amount of Saturn would mean that the person is not grounded and doesn't knows the ground situations. So you would notice that there are very few lines on the mount of Saturn. That is a beautiful sign to have. There should be least amount of lines. Another way to explain why there should be less lines over the mount of Saturn, because consider this is the sun, and the Saturn, every planet is revolving around the sun. So what happens is that if there are too many lines on the Saturn, it would mean too many lines in the middle of the path that the Saturn is traveling on. So what's going to happen? Saturn, as it is, it's a very slow moving planet, and if there are too many lines, it would kind of slow down the pace, the speed of Saturn. So the person is going to feel that all the delays are happening in his life. So that's a negative sign. And no sunlight can also be considered to be good. It means that unlimited possibilities arise, and many famous, super famous, and these famous are like world fame people may not have a sun line, and that is there. So don't consider that if a line is missing there's anything wrong. There's nothing wrong with absence of a particular line. It's just that our hand should be neat and clean, and our palms should be prominent. There should be few prominent things that should show up, something like the Mars line is there. One more thing I needed to add, which I missed. This is the negative line that is coming and touching the main line of money, and this is the lifeline. I've already explained, consider this line to be a car that is coming and striking your life, or your money line, your possessions line, or the money line. So in the middle you would find that there is a roadblock. This is the line of Mars, and a roadblock is kind of reducing the intensity, the speed at which this car is going to strike your money line. So what happens is, this is the protection line, so the person is protected. So and as it is, you notice that the line as such is not so strong compared to the Mars line. So this is one portion, but certainly there are few problems may arise during that particular portion of time. Now the another aspect is, we take into account the line of heart. Heart line is a very important line to consider, and heart line is the line of emotions, the line of sensitivity, the line of relationships. And this line, although this is the line of relationship and the line of your love life as well, but at the same time this can also tell about your work life as well. And we would take a look from both point of views, not one point of view but both point of views we'll try to take, and even from the point of view of your health as well. So 3 point of views we are going to take a look at the heart line. Now the heart line is starting on the edge out here, and you would notice that the heart line is broken, and then again it basically starts. So a break on the heart line under the finger of sun is a little bit negative sign. It means heart or eye related issues. So any one of these issues can arise, but sometimes the person may say that there's no issue at all. There is a huge possibility that there might not be any issue. We will try to take a look at the nail first. The nails can also tell about any disease or as such. Now these nails are reasonably sized. They are not too small, they are not too big. When a person has got very small nail, very extremely small set of nails, only then we would mention that the person might have heart related issues. We don't find that kind of an indication out here, so we would try to negate that particular possibility. The second possibility could arise that because there's a break on the heart line, it could mean a break in one's relationship. Now relationships can be various. There can be various kind of relationship. It can be a father and son relationship. It can be a relationship with your wife. It can be a relationship with some partner. It could be any kind of relationship issues that may arise. And a break in the line of heart means an abrupt ending in one's relationship. This is an abrupt ending. If we take a look from the point of view of your work as well, so it could also mean an abrupt ending of your work as well. You are doing some work for a long duration of time and abruptly you end it, and then you basically continue with another work. So same, if you notice that there's a break out here in the money line, it is ending out here and another one is starting, so there's a break somewhere out here. So what is happening is that there are 2 breaks on the money line as well as the line of heart. Now break in the line of money could mean 2 or 3 things. Break in the money line could mean either a job loss or a work loss. It could be any kind of a loss. The second possibility could be the main earning member of the family, their health or wealth goes bad, and that's the reason why more responsibility may fall on this particular person. The second possibility is that. The third possibility could be the person's personal life may get disturbed, and that is the reason why there is a break in the money line. So 2 or 3 possibilities can be seen with a break and change in the line of fate. We were talking about the heart line. So as such, if we take a look, the heart line is quite deep and clear. There's a break and there are few branches like thing that are hanging downwards. Consider fingers. This is the area of your sky. The tips of the finger is the sky, the base of the palm is the earth and the gravity, and a heart line that has got branches. It's something like the gravity is pulling these branches. It's considered this is your physical heart and there's a branch hanging onto the heart, physical heart, and it is exerting weight. So what is going to happen? Your heart is going to get tired. So stress and anxiety might develop. But as such, the clarity in the heart line is such that the person would be able to handle those stress and anxiety. But the stronger the line, the more the stress. The weaker the line, if there's a very weak kind of a line, less stress. So this could mean, and another meaning of this particular line could also mean that this is the heart line, there's a branch out here, so it could mean misplaced affection, being affection. And if it is touching the head, it means being affectionate to somebody who is not worth your affection. Giving, but it doesn't, it could mean giving time, energy, effort to such a person who is not worth affection. So be extremely careful whom you give your time, energy, effort to. Be extremely careful regarding that. Now it appears that the person has got a very prominent kind of amount of Venus. It appears to be quite well padded. Well padded amount of Venus basically signifies that the person is likely to be high in energy levels, vitality and stamina, and the desire for beauty increases. It also means that the person may never get tired, and the recovery of this particular person is going to be substantial. Like if something happens to this particular person, the person is going to like the doctor is going to say that the person is not going to get up from the bed for maybe, let's say, a month or 2 months, but the person is going to get up really fast, probably in a week or even less, and start working, even in times where because both these planets are for health point of view. So both these planets are good, the Mars and the Venus. Mars is the fire and this is the fuel. Both these things are extremely good, and they should be reasonably well balanced. By well balanced means, it doesn't mean, it means that if this area is prominent, there should be also a reasonably good sign on the amount of Mars. Only then there's going to be a balance between both these lines. Now just taking a brief look at the left hand as well. Before I move on to the left hand, I'll just tell one more important point out here. The main heart line is kind of ending close to the mount of Saturn. A line that ends close to the mount of Saturn, it means Saturn is for money, possessions and wealth, and it means your heart inclination is more towards making money. And a person who has this inner inclination to make money and who values money and who prays for money is likely to make good amount of money. See, there are two kinds of people. One is an idealistic person. This is, if the heart line was long, the person would be very idealistic. But this person is not idealistic. This person is realistic, because Saturn means realism. It means what is possible. We all have got very limited resources, so we have to make the best use of our resources. So this person would be able to make the best of his resources. The heart line is kind of curving a little bit towards the mount of Saturn. It means a very passionate person, a person who displays his emotions. And this is considered, we can't say this is positive or negative, but this is just his nature. If the heart line was straight, ending somewhere out here, so it would mean that the person doesn't display his emotion, but because of the curvature, the person displays his emotion. And you'd notice that there are a few perpendicular lines on the mount of Mercury. Mount of Mercury represents skill. There's a strong line out here as well, but the line out here is not so prominent, but still it is reasonably good. So it means that the person is sharpening his skills. I would suggest that if he can sharpen it further, it would it would be even better, because comparatively the longer line moving from the close to the fade line is much more stronger compared to on the mount. And see, the person, one more thing I need to add out here is one or two things I'm not able to see very clearly, so I would be asking this particular person, but I am explaining to you what it means. The finger of Mercury, this is the finger of Mercury, this is the finger of knowledge, this is the finger of communication, technical skills, business skills, knowledge and everything, and networking skills. And if this Mercury finger is short, by short we mean it is reaching just till this particular point, it is not even reaching this particular point or the top line of the sun finger, this is the sun finger, then it would mean that the person might create distance between his near and dear ones, and relationship issues may arise. It can be any kind of relationship, but most prominent is the most closest person. And people who are far away, we are automatically far away from them. It's the near people that we kind of create distance with. If this Mercury finger is short, only then we would say, if the Mercury finger is reaching the top line of the ring finger, then we would say that the length of the Mercury finger is reasonably good, and it means that the person is able to have a good relationship and is able to communicate with near and dear ones and even far away people in an effective way. Now, one more thing I've noticed in my practical experience is when the line of Mercury is short, the finger of Mercury is short, it means that probably that the person might be able to communicate with 50 people, unknown people, in a very effective way. But when it comes to people who are really close by, that's where the distance gets created. So this might be just a possibility. There's a line in between the finger of Saturn and Sun. This line, another palmist told me that this line could mean that whatever education the person takes up, small or big, formal or informal, that is likely to benefit this particular person at some portion of life. The person might be doing something as a hobby in the initial period, and that is going to become really prominent for him, and that is going to play a major role in his life. So it's a good line to have. And I think I would end the video right here. Before I end the video briefly, I would just take a look at the left hand for a brief portion of time. You'll notice that this is the money line. There's a break in the line of fate before the age of 35. On the right hand, it was different age. On this hand, it's different age. It's all happening before the age of 35, from the age of 30 to 35. In the initial period, the line of fate is quite stable, but then it destabilizes, so it brings in few problems or changeover or losses or something or the other. The line of Mercury is again good. This is good. I've already explained. I won't go back into details what I've already explained. And upward lines on the mount of Jupiter is the person would be able to reach up to a high position, and the person would be angling towards a high position. And both lines are joined. This is the same that we saw on the left hand as well. And the line of relationships as such is reasonably good. Sometimes this is not the place. Most palmists would take a look at relationships at the side of the palm. I don't look at that. I look at all other lines as well and come to the conclusion. I've already concluded what I've already explained to you. And the heart line is kind of out here, running out here, and there's a line that is running really close by. So sometimes it means duality in emotions. Duality in emotions can be explained in something like, this is a big lake, and there are two boats. The person is standing in two boats. So the chances of destabilizing basically increases. So because of duality, if a person is in troubled waters troubled waters in a river or a sea, even then the person is stable if the person is standing in one boat, but even in still waters the person might destabilize. So hope you understand what I'm trying to convey to you, and I think that's it for the reading out here. I would end my video by talking about few important points on that I repeat in almost all my videos. People want to know about money, possession, and wealth. We can come to know about money from almost any line. Importance of money line in terms of how much money we are going to be making in our life is just 15%. So it's every other line that plays an important role, not just the money line, the fate line. And you can come to know more about money from your heart line, your head line, your lifeline, your sun, Mercury, Venus, Mars, or any other planet or mount or line. A saint once said, you do not need to go to an astrologer or a palmist to know about your future, because you already know your future. Present is a result of past. How will be my future? Future depends upon what you are doing in the present. What are we? We are product of our thoughts. So the thoughts that come to our mind are really important. Keep positive thoughts and keep good company. That's what matters the most. And if you are in a bad company and you have a very good hand, probably what's going to happen, you're going to go in the wrong direction. So company matters the most. Every saint tells that company have satsang. Satsang means being in the right company of people. Sometimes our hand is not good, but if we are in a good company, so those negative aspects might go away. So company matters the most. Bye, take care, subscribe to my channel, and give a like button if you like the video. Bye, take care.